Is it audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Today's topic. See, notes is already sent in. Okay. Uh, WhatsApp group. Today's topic: electrostatic, electrostatic potential, potential and capacitance. Electrostatic potential and capacitance. See, this is also very important topic. So you may get 5 plus 1 questions. 5 plus 1 question from this topic. Pakka 5 questions. 5 question idde iruttappa guaranteed. Okay? 1 question bandru barabahudu. Adara mele 5 plus 1 question. So you have to remember few formulas here. Can you tell me what is the capacitance of a capacitor? The capacitance of a capacitor depends on some factors. So here can we take C is equal to epsilon A divided by D? You remember this formula? Correct? Correct, Andra? Capacitance of a capacitor depend on area of cross section, also the separation between the plates. Correct? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now one more formula is there. See, potential. Potential formula. Can anybody recall what is the potential expression? V 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught.
Q by R.
Very good. Q divided by R. What is Q here?
Charge.
Charge. One more time recall what is force expression? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught.
Q square by R square.
Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Now remember the main difference between potential and force. So they may ask you to get what is the expression value, or like no, what is the value when you take the ratio potential to force. Now you have to take this expression 1, expression 2, divide 1 by 2. You will arrive at ratio of potential to force. Tondre idya? Tondre idya andra? See, this is the potential expression when only one charge is involved. When there are two charges which are separated by some distance, what is the potential expression then, or potential energy expression? V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught.
Q1, Q2.
See, Q1 and Q2 and separated by distance are Q1, Q2 divided by R. Okay, Q1, Q2 divided by R. See, here potential assuming one more charge is 1 coulomb charge. That's why you got only Q value. Suppose if other charge is not 1 coulomb, then the potential is different. Now that potential expression is this. Assume here potential expression, assuming Q2 value is equal to 1 coulomb charge. Fine. So this was the potential. Now if the potential value changes, now here is the expression. Okay. Tondre idyanrappa yarigadru? Problem
No,
idya?
sir.
And what is the charge and how capacitor, charge and capacitance are related? Q is equal to
CV.
correct. Q is equal to CV. Then what is the energy stored in a capacitor? Energy
Half CV square.
half CV square, or else half Q into V. Is it correct? Half Q into V. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Check madrappa innonsala. Because C
Yes, sir.
correct. So C value is so Q by V, and if you substitute, it will be half Q into V. Any changes there? Now how electric field and charge are potential dependent. So energy stored in a capacitor. See one more expression. Electric
Minus dV by dr.
wonderful minus dV divided by dr, dx, etc., etc., etc. Suppose if you take x as the distance, x, r as distance, r, and so on. Tondre idya? Objection idya yarigadru? Problem idya? ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Then what is the force experienced by the charge when you place in an electric field? Q into E. Remember this. F is equal to Q into E. Now let's see. Common potential formula. Anybody remember common potential formula?
C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by
Very good. C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2. Remember, this is the common potential expression. Common potential expression. Tondre idya? Now we will start with few problems. We will be solving 10 to 12 problems or up to 15 problems. Let's see, if time permits, we will solve till 15 problems. First question, 2006. 2006, first question. 2006, first question. A parallel plate air capacitor. A parallel plate air capacitor has a capacitance C. Capacitance C. A parallel plate air capacitor has a capacitance C. When it is half filled with a dielectric, when it is half filled with dielectric, when it is half filled with dielectric of dielectric constant, of dielectric constant, dielectric constant 5, dielectric constant 5, the percentage increase in the capacitance will be, the percentage increase in the capacitance will be, first option 400%, second option 66.6%, third option 33.3%, last option 200%. 200%. Now read the question carefully and tell me what is given, what is asked. Now draw question ಓದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Without reading the question, don't proceed with the answer. ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಲ ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ತದೆ. Even we, okay, do mistakes. Even after so much experience, even we commit mistakes. Read the question carefully. Slowly you have to read the question. Tell me what is asked.
Percentage increase in capacitance.
Percentage increase in capacitance. You see, capacitance means, let us take a capacitor. Now here is okay, plus charge, here is negative charge. And what is the medium here in between?
Air.
Correct? Air is the medium. Now same item. Now this is separated by a distance D. Plates are separated by D. Now the same capacitor, instead of air, okay, if you fill dielectric constant, so dielectric material with dielectric constant 5, and here is how much is filled in this capacitor. What is the area you fill with the dielectric medium? Half. If it is total, no, total is D. Now D by 2 is only left out because the half is filled with dielectric constant 5. Now if previously it was capacitance is C1, now C2, you have to tell me what is the percentage increase. What is the percentage change or percentage increase? Percentage change or percentage increase. See, tell me what is the general expression for capacitance? It will be epsilon naught A divided by D. Is it correct? Epsilon
Yes, sir.
A divided by D. What is epsilon naught?
Permittivity of free space.
Permittivity of free space. Now for first capacitor, I will call C1. Okay, I will call C1. Now I will take K value here because here since it is air, K value is equal to 1. Now I take K value into epsilon naught A divided by D by 2. Okay, D by 2. See, this is for the first, including air. Now some dielectric constant is included. Since dielectric constant is dielectric material is included, I also consider K, where K is what?
Dielectric constant.
Dielectric constant. What is its value?
5.
5. Given value is 5. See, now you have to also observe, previously the distance was d. Now it is reduced to how much?
D by 2.
By 2. See, let us call this is C1. Now here I will consider C2 now. Now it will be easy for you. Now it will be easy. Tondre idenro? Problem idya? Any problem others? Nodrappa? Can you follow me or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see. Next, what is the expression? See, this is numerator k. Now tell me, can the same expression, can I write it as epsilon naught a divided by d divided by 2k? Is it okay if I write like this? Because denominator of the denominator goes to the numerator. So you will arrive at this expression. K into epsilon naught a divided by d by 2. Is it okay if I write like this?
Yes, sir.
New expression. Now I will substitute the value of k. K is how much?
5.
5. Then what happens? Epsilon naught a. Correct? Epsilon naught a divided by d divided by 10.
10k.
D divided by 10. So your k won't come. K value itself is 5. Okay? K value itself is 5. Any problem? Any problem? Parallel plate
Yes,
A capacitor has a capacitance C. When it is half filled with the dielectric of dielectric constant 5, the percentage increase in the capacitance will be. Now you have to calculate what is the percentage increase. See now. See previous expression, this is the capacitance. Capacitance of a capacitor given by the formula. Okay, for your reference, we will consider C only. Now this I will consider it as C1. Now C1 will be epsilon naught A, correct, divided by D by 10. This is C1 value. This is C1 value. What is C2 value? C2 value, can anybody tell me? For air, dielectric constant is 1. Now what is the expression?
Epsilon naught A
D
by
naught by
1.
Epsilon naught A divided by D by 2
D.
only. D by 2 only, because half filled with air now. Half filled with air. Previous, the other item is dielectric medium. Here is dielectric medium. Now here it is air. This is just capacitance of a capacitor. Capacitance of a capacitor expression. Now here is air medium. What is asked? What is asked? Percentage.
Percentage increase.
Present capacitance.
Now see 1 by C dash is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Is it okay if I take like this? Because when capacitor, they are parallel plate capacitor. See, in this capacitor, what happens? Now half filled with dielectric medium. The remaining half is filled with air. Now this is C1. Now here is C2. Now you have to tell me what is the capacitance increase. Okay. Now here is dielectric medium which is filled with K. Now you have to tell me, because both are parallel now. Both are. So now what is the connection between these two capacitors? What is the connection between these two capacitors? What is the type of connection between these two capacitors?
Parallel.
Parallel or series?
Series, sir.
Capacitance formula is what? Effective capacitance.
1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2.
1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Now here is the expression. Now substitute the value. 1 by C dash is equal to 1 by C1 is how much? Epsilon naught A. Correct? So D by 10 plus D by 2 epsilon naught A. Epsilon naught A. Correct, Andrew? Correct. Now take 1 by epsilon naught common, epsilon naught A, D by 10 plus D by 2. This is 1 by C dash, 1 by C dash. So after solution, so you will arrive at 5 by 3, okay, epsilon naught A divided by D. See, this is the what? C dash value, not just 1 by C dash. See, you have to take the reciprocal, then you will arrive at 5 by 3 epsilon naught A. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ. C dash value is 5 by 3 epsilon naught A divided by D. See, this is the new capacitance value. What was the original capacitance value? Original.
Epsilon naught A by D.
What is asked? What is asked?
Percentage increase.
Percentage increase. If you want to calculate percentage increase, first you have to calculate what is the increase. Now this is the new item. This is the previous item. 5 by 3 minus 1. 5 by 3 minus 1 into epsilon naught A divided by D, okay, is the change in value. What is 5 by 3 minus 1? 5 minus 3 by 2 epsilon naught A divided by D. What is 5 by 3? 5 minus 3 by 2, what is its value?
1.
5 by 3 minus 1, sorry. 5 by 3 minus 1 divided by 3. Divided by 3. So
2 by 3.
2 by 3 into epsilon naught A divided by D. See, this is the percentage change. Now see, what is the value of 2 by 3?
0.66.
Multiply by 100 gives percentage change.
66.6.
66% is the answer. Nodrappa, this is how you have to proceed. See, original value of the capacitance. Original value of the capacitance you have to calculate. So you should know this is the capacitance value. Once if you fill with the dielectric medium, how much you fill? Half you fill. Now this is the new capacitance. So this is only for half. The remaining half capacitance is here. Now previously this was the capacitance. You must know what is the effective capacitance because of these two. So for example, if you have half liter milk, half liter water, you add these two. So now it will be the new concentration. Now what is the concentration? That's the value. Previously you had only milk half liter. Now what is the percentage change? How you calculate? You have to calculate effective percentage because of air as well as dielectric medium. Then we will see the change with respect to standard item. Now here is the change. Okay. Now this is the effective capacitance value. Now effective capacitance value minus original capacitance gives rise to change in capacitance. Now that change in capacitance multiplied by 100 gives rise to what? Percentage change in capacitance. Percentage change in capacitance. This topic is little difficult. First 3 topics little bit difficult. Okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ because the other no problems will be easy. So your rank is decided by first 3 topics. Remember, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಸಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬರ್ತಾ 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 ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅವರ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಟೆಂಪೋ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈ ಸಜೆಷನ್, first you complete first 3 topics of second year, then you proceed because 15 questions directly come from this topic. 15 question andre approximately 25% of your entire paper, because 60 out of 60 15 means 15 fours are 60. Okay, 25% weightage for first 3 topics. Very very important. Next question, 2006 only. Next question, 2006 question. The top of the atmosphere is at about 400 kilovolt. 400 kilovolt with respect to the surface of the earth. with respect to the surface of Earth. With respect to the surface of Earth. Corresponding to an electric field. Corresponding to an electric field. Corresponding to an electric field that decreases with altitude. That decreases with altitude. That decreases with altitude. Near the surface of Earth. Near the surface of Earth. Near the surface of Earth. The field is about 100 volt per meter. Near the surface of Earth, the field is about 100 volt per meter. Still, we do not get an electric shock. Still, we do not get an electric shock. Still, we do not get an electric shock. As we step out of our house, as we step out of our house into the open house, into the open house, because first option, there is a potential difference between our body and ground. There is a potential difference between our body and ground. Our body and ground. Second option, 100 volt per meter is not high electric field. 100 volt per meter is not high electric field. Not high electric field. So that we do not feel the shock. So that we do not feel the shock. So that we do not feel the shock. Third option, our body and the ground forms an equipotential surface. It forms equipotential surface. Can anybody tell me what is equipotential surface?
Surface in which potential at all the points are equal.
Potential is same at all points. Fine. Last option. Atmosphere is not a conductor. Atmosphere is not a conductor. Now read the question carefully and tell me the answer. Now draw the money. This is house. You lie inside. Now this is the atmosphere. See, at the atmosphere you have 400 kilovolt of electric field because lots of ions are there. Okay, ionosphere is there, correct? Are you aware of ionosphere? Thermosphere, ionosphere. Correct? Present. Ions present. There you have around 400 kilovolt of electric field. Now around the surface of Earth, so you have about 100 volt per meter. This is the electric field. Now just a moment. 100 kilovolt is what? Top of the atmosphere is about 100 kilovolt with respect to surface of the Earth. Corresponding to an electric field that decreases with the altitude. Okay. Near the surface of Earth, the field is about 100 volt per meter. So even though if you come outside, you do not experience, okay, shock. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why? Other options are provided. 4 options are provided. Option D, atmosphere is not a conductor. Very good. Option D is correct. Atmosphere is not a conductor. Remember, dry air is not a conductor. But during rainy season, what happens? So you heard about thunderstorms, correct? Thunder and lightning. not thunder, just lightning. So what happens? Lightning strikes the ground. How it strikes the ground, even though if the atmosphere is like bad conductor? How it strikes the ground? Remember, so it strikes because of the water vapor that exists in the atmosphere. Water is a good conductor of electricity, correct? Atmosphere consists of humidity. Humidity means what? Water content in the atmosphere. If the water content is like so much, now this takes the charge and it strikes the ground. But however, 400 volt, fine, 400 volt is not a very high voltage, because in some of the main lines nodidira mains hogirutte, correct, mains hogirutte alli 40,000 volts travel ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 40,000 volts. ಇದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಅಕೇಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಕೇಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಸರ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮಿಡಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೋ ಆಗಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೊರತು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೊಡೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 40,000 and it is very near to ground, so it is just 400 volts, though it do not strike. So but best answer for this question is question ಗೆ answer
option D.
D. So option D. So ಅದನ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next question, 2007. 2007, next question. Two identical capacitors, each of capacitance 5 millifarad, each of a capacitor 5 millifarad are charged to potentials, are charged to potentials 2 kilovolt and 1 kilovolt respectively. 2 kilovolt and 1 kilovolt respectively. The negative ends are connected together. The negative ends are connected together. Negative ends are connected together. When the positive ends are also connected together, when the positive ends are also connected together, the loss of energy of the system is, loss of energy of the system is, loss of energy of the system is. Options: option A 160 joule, option B 0 joule, option C 5 joule, option D 1.25 joule. 1.25 joule.
Sir, can you repeat the question, sir?
Anapa. Two identical capacitors, each of capacitance 5 millifarad, are charged to potentials 2 kilovolt and 1 kilovolt respectively. The negative ends are connected together. When the positive ends are also connected together, the loss of energy of the system is, 4 options are provided. 4 options. Yendrapa, what is the answer? Can you tell me? Option C, wrong. Can you tell me what is the expression when two capacitors are connected in series? Series.
1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2.
Now 1 by C is equal to what? C1, C2, C1 plus C2. Just C is equal to C1, C2 divided by C1 plus C2. This is the effective capacitance when connected in series. When parallel,
CP is equal to C1 plus C2.
C1 plus C2. Remember, when parallel, C1 plus C2. Now here, what is asked? Loss of energy. Energy stored in the capacitor is asked. Energy stored in the capacitor. What is the expression for energy stored?
CD square.
Half CV square.
Of CV square. Now here see, two capacitors are there. Effective capacitance. Potential also, two potential is there. Effective potential you have to calculate. Okay, because they are maintained at two potential. One is K2 kV, the other one is 1 kV. What is the effective potential between these two?
C1 V1 plus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2.
Wonderful, wonderful. Now see, half effective capacitance C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Is it okay? Effective capacitance C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. And how about potential? Can we call it as V1 minus V2 whole square? V1 minus V2 whole square, because V1 is 2 kilovolt, whereas V2 is 1 kilovolt. V1 is 1 kilo, 2 kilo, V2 is 1 kilo. So now see, 1 by 2 capacitance values are provided. Common potential, common capacitance. Correct and wrong? Common.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of the common capacitance? 5. 5
Into 10 power
10 power
minus 3.
minus 3.
Very good. 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 milli C1. Similarly, C2 is 5 into 10 power minus 3 divided by C1 plus C2. 5 into 10 to the power of minus. Now see, 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. Is it okay if I write?
Yes, sir.
10 into 10 to the power of minus 3. See, in the numerator it is multiplication, but in the denominator it is addition. For addition it will be 10 to the power of minus 3, common term. For multiplication you have to add these two terms. Now what is V1? 2000, 2 kilovolt. What is V2?
1000.
1000. Now solve this. Now solve this. Half. What is 5 into 5? 25 into 10 to the power of minus 6.
Minus 6.
Divided by 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Correct? Into 1000.
1000.
To 1000. So now 5 2s are 5 5s are. Correct? So next 10 to the power of minus 3. 10 to the power of minus 3 cancels out. Minus 3. Now 4 is there. Correct? 4 you can call 4 one time into 250 time. So 250 into 5. 250 into 5. How much? 250 into 5. How much?
6250.
Hey, 5 into 250. 5 into 250.
1250.
Very good. 1 point.
25.
1.25. Okay. 1.25 means it is 1250. If I add 250 rupees 5 times, you will get 1250. 1250 into 10 to the power of minus 3. If you okay, so substitute the value, it will be 1.25. This is energy, joule, and which one is the answer? Option D. Option D.
Option D.
Is it clear? ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಏನ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀರೋ? ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರು? Next question. Yes. Any problem?
Sir, V1 minus V2 whole square, no, sir?
Oh, good. V1 minus V2 whole square. Yeah, what happened to it?
Then it should come 1250. It won't come 1250 into 10 to the power minus 3, no, sir?
Minus 3. Minus 3. Ah, correct, appa. Correct. Correct. 1000. It is 1000 square, right?
10 to the power 6.
Just a moment. Just a moment. I will cross verify that. 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 5, 1, 2. Okay. 1 by 4. 250. V1 square minus V2 square. Yeah, correct, appa. Correct. It is about 5 microfarad. 5 microfarad. See, okay. Now check. Instead of millifarad, if you take microfarad, what happens?
10 to the power minus 6.
10 to the power minus 6.
10 to the power of
minus 6.
how come minus 6 appa? Now check. So in that case, it will be 1250 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is remaining, correct?
Yes, sir.
Nodro cross verify madro. That is correct appa. It is 2000 minus 1000 square. Correct. Now we have 250. No, 1000.
Into 5.
1000 square is left out. Correct? 1000 square is left out. 1000 square we can call it as 10 to the power of 3 whole square. It will be 10 to the power of plus 6. 10 to the power of plus 6. Check madro onsala. Cross verify madrappa. No problem. We will do it again. Tell me what are the values? What are the values? Half C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Half C1 value is how much?
5 into 10 power minus 6.
Minus 6 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by 10 into 10 to the
10 to the power of minus 6.
so which is 1000 square. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Now 1 by 2. So 1000. Okay, this is cancel. Okay, 1 by 2. 525 into 10 to the power of this minus 6, and can we cancel these two? 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3 square is 10 to the power of plus 6. 10 to the power of minus 6 cancels out. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Now 25 divided by 10. So 25 divided by 20. Now you see 1.25. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Who was that? Who asked the question? Who was that?
Yes, sir.
Kumaran. Correct anappa, sari hoyta?
Yes, sir.
Now what you have to do is what? Now change the question. Change the question. Say this is not actually millifarad. Milli is wrong then. It will be microfarad. Question itself is wrong. In that case, question itself is wrong. 5 millifarad kotre tappagatte. 5 micro kodbeku. Because in the last case, see here we have substituted micro. 10 to the power of minus 6 we have substituted. Minus milli tegedu micro hakoli ashte. Avaga sari hogtade answer. 1.25 is correct then. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ.
Yes, sir.
Okay pa. Okay, thank you Shivkumar. Next question 2008 question. The charge 2008 question. The charges Q, capital Q, plus Q and plus Q. The charges Q plus Q and plus Q are placed at the vertices of an at the vertices of an equilateral triangle of side L of cell ಸಾಯಿ ಸುಧನ್ವ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ 10 to the power of -6 ಅಣಿಯ ಅದು ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಫ್ಯಾರಡ್ ಕಣಪ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ you have to change from milli to micro so then it will be 10 to the power of -6 that's what we said okay milli ಇಂದ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ milli ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ okay side L if the net electrostatic potential energy of the system is zero, the Q is equal to first option plus Q by 2 0, third option minus Q by 2, fourth option minus Q. This was appeared in 2008. Now read the question. What should be the total potential energy? And three charges are placed along what? Vertices of equilateral triangle. Now here is the equilateral triangle, correct? So now here is plus Q, here is one more Q, here is one more Q, and each of side how much?
L.
Each of side is L. L or A?
L, sir.
A or L? L, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have to calculate what? Total potential.
So we have to find Q.
Oh, okay. So you have to find what is the value of Q. What is the value of Q? Okay. How to do it? See, go according to either cyclic order. Other one cyclic order. Now here you have to find out. Now tell me what is the potential between plus Q and in this case. Okay, here. Now tell me what is the potential along this line.
Sir, 0 now.
Potential along this line. Answer is 0 pa.
0.
ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಹೇಳು
Answer 0 ಅಂತ.
Answer 0 ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ. Q ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ Q 0 ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಲ್ಲ 0 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಲ್ವಾ? Total potential will be 0. Now you have to find what is Q. Tell me what is the potential along these two lines. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught.
Q by R.
Q into plus Q divided by
R.
L. Now here we have considered L, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so this is first case on this line. What about this? What about the second line?
Same, sir.
How come same, amma? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here two charges are QQ. It will be Q square divided by L. Now along third line, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Capital Q, small q divided by L. Correct, Andra? Correct. See, these are the potential along three lines. 1, 1, 2, 3. What is the total potential? How to calculate?
Add all three.
Add all three. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay. Now 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. However, this is common. Can we take it outside along with L? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught L is common. Now tell me, add now. Capital Q plus 2Q square. Is it correct? 2Q square. Is it correct? Is it correct? Nodappa 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught L.
Sir.
1 by 4 pi epsilon naught L. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught L common. Now here is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. From first case, QQ is okay remaining. Here is written QQ. The other item is here is also Q square. Okay, okay, just a moment.
Sir, 2QQ plus Q square.
Okay. Now here it is 2 into QQ plus Q square. Is it correct now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 2 into QQ because 2 QQ are 1 Q square is there. Now here is the expression. Now total potential will be equal to 0. Here it will be equal to 0. Correct? Now if you multiply 4 pi epsilon naught L with 0 because this is in the denominator. Here with 0. Now what is left out? Capital QQ plus Q square is equal to 0. Correct? Now you required what? Capital Q. So 2 capital Q is equal to minus Q square. This Q and this will get cancels out. Capital Q will be minus Q divided by 2. Then what is the value of capital Q?
Minus Q by 2.
Which one is the option then?
C.
C.
Okay. Option C is the answer. See, this is how you have to proceed. Remember potential. That's why I told you in the beginning. Potential, if it is for only 1 coulomb, then you have to consider capital Q or general Q. If it is 2 charges, you have to consider both the charges and you have to find out the potential. Problem idya andre yarigadu objection idya? Any objections? Now one more question. 2008, one more question. The total energy stored in the condenser. The total energy stored in the condenser system, the total energy stored in the condenser system is shown in the figure. Now write down this diagram. This is a 2 volt. This is battery. This is a 2 microfarad. This is a 6 microfarad. Here it is a 3 microfarad. So here is the question. The total energy stored in the condenser system shown in the figure will be 8 microjoule. Second option 16 microjoule. Third option 2 microjoule. Last option 4 microjoule. Simple question, do it.
Sir, repeat the second part of the question, sir.
The total energy stored in the condenser system shown in the figure will be total energy you have to find out. Total energy. Now this is the given diagram with 4 options. ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. Say energy stored in the condenser or capacitor.
Option A na.
Option A ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ?
8 microjoule.
8 microfarad.
Microjoules. Okay, microjoules. This is energy. Energy unit is joule. Now see, energy stored in the capacitor. What is the formula?
Half CV square.
Half CV square.
See, there are different capacitors here. Now you need what? Effective capacitance. You agree with me? Because you don't have one capacitor. You have different capacitors. Fine. Now see, most important. Let us call these 2 points. Let us call this point is A. Here is point B. Now this system, it is in series. You agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Along the same line, series. Now this entire effective capacitance is in with, okay, parallel with respect to 2 microfarad capacitor. So this entire series system is in parallel with this. Is it correct? Now first, what is the effective capacitance among 6 and 3? 6 and 3. 2. Very good. So 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6. C1 C2 divided by C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. So 18 divided by 9, which is 2 microfarad. This is along series. Now this series is in parallel with which one? Effective capacitance is in parallel with
2 microfarad.
2 plus 2.
1 more 2 microfarad. Now if it is in parallel, these two are in parallel. If they are in parallel, what is the effective capacitance then?
4.
Microfarad.
C1 plus C2. Okay, similarly CS plus CS. So here, fine, it will be 4 microfarad. Now you have to substitute this formula there, this value. Fine. Now half. Now we are dealing with energy stored in the capacitor. Half. What is the effective capacitance? 4 into 10 to the power of micro 6 whole square. No, not whole square. Just C. V square. V is how much?
2.
That is 4. Correct? 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 4 into 2 is 8. 10 to the power of minus 6 is micro. So this is energy, which is nothing but joule. So energy is 8 microjoules. Energy stored in the capacitor is 8 microjoule. Now from this question you will come to know capacitors are also called what? Condensers. ನೀವು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕಡೆಯವರಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ತೋಟ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 3 ಫೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ದಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ 2 ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಮಷಿನ್ ಅನ್ನ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮೋಟರ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್. ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸರ್. ನಾಲ್ಕು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ. Now next question. 2009. The electric potential at any point. X, Y, Z. The electric potential at any point X, Y, Z in meters is given by. V is equal to 3x square. in meters is given by V is equal to 3x squared. The electric field at a point, 2 meter, 0, 1 meter is electric field at a point 2 meter, 0, 1 meter. Now they are in the form x, y, z. This is understood. Fine. Now options. Option A, 12 volt per meter. Option B, minus 6 volt per meter. Option C, 6 volt per meter. Option D, minus 12 volt per meter. Minus 12 volt per meter. Minus volt per meter. Tell me what is asked. Simple question. 10 seconds question. You can solve this question in 10 seconds. What is given? Potential is given. What is asked? E is asked. E and potential are connected by one expression. What is it?
Minus dV by
dV
dr.
by dx.
Minus dV by dx. Correct? dV value is provided. Correct? Minus d by dx of 3x square. Now differentiating with respect to x, it will be minus 6x. See, field along 2 meter, 0 and 1 meter. Now they are coordinates along x, y and z. Y, z, however, not there. Only x exists. What is the value of x? 2. Now, minus 6 into 2 is how much?
Minus 12.
Volt per meter. So option is
D.
ಏನ್ರೋ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ, MTG ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಂದು ನಾನು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, MTG ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಂದು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ವೈಸ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು PDF ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಡ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಓದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟಿವ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಪಿಕ್ ದಿ ರೆಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಗೆ ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ತರದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಬೈ ಬಾಯಟೋಳು ಬರ್ದಿರೋರು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋರು, ಸೊ ಈ ತರದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ. Just a moment. Now once again 2012 question, 2012 question, same question, similar question. 2012. Okay, not the previous question, previous question. A capacitor of capacitance of 10 microfarad. 10 microfarad is charged to 10 volt. The energy stored in it is option A 100 microjoule, option B 500 microjoule, option C 1000 microjoule, option D 1 microjoule.
Option B.
Option
B.
Very good. Now E is equal to what? E is equal to half CV square. Direct question. Capacitance is provided 10 micro. Potential is provided 10 square. Okay, so into 5, 10 square is 100, 100 into 5 is 500, 10 to the power of 6 is minus 6 micro, so joule. So which is option B. Option B. Norapa, same question appeared in 2012. ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆಯನ್ರೋ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರು? ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? Now let's see 2014 problem. 2014 common potential case. Two capacitors of 10 micro, 2 capacitors 10 pico, sorry not micro, 2 capacitors 10 picofarad and 20 picofarad. Can anybody tell me what is pico?
10
10
power minus
minus 12.
Minus 12. If it is femto,
10 power minus 15.
minus 15. Very good. Now 10 picofarad and 20 picofarad are connected to 200 volt. Are connected to 200 volt and 100 volt. Connected to 200 volt and 100 volt. Sources respectively. If they are connected by the wire, what is the common potential? What is the common potential of capacitor? Common potential of capacitor. Option A 300 volt. Second option 133.3 volt, 400 volt, 150 volt. Which formula you use?
C is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 by C1 plus C1.
C1 plus.
Sir, options inactive.
You want options?
Option repeat. Sir, option B.
Option B. Good. Option B. Let's see. C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. What is the value of C1? 10 into 10 to the power of minus 12 plus 20 into 10 to the power of, sorry, potential. What is V1? What is V1?
200.
One value? 200?
Yes, sir.
200 plus C2 is 20 into 10 to the power of minus 12. V2 is how much?
100.
100 divided by, okay, C1 plus C2, 10 into 10 to the power of minus 12 plus 20 into 10 to the power of minus 12. See, minus 12, minus 12, minus 12, minus 12. If you take common and if you cancel, everything will cancel out. Correct? 200 into 10 is 2000 plus 20 into 100 is again how much?
2000.
2000.
Divided by 30.
30.
So 4000 divided by 30. 400 divided by 3. Approximately 133. Okay. Option is B. Option B is correct. ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯನ್ರೋ? ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Next question. 2014 question. 2014 again. 2014 question. What is the electric potential at a distance? What is the electric potential at a distance of 9 centimeter? At a distance of 9 centimeter from 3 nanocoulomb. From 3 nanocoulomb. What is the electric potential at a distance of 9 centimeter from 3 nanocoulomb. First option 300 volt, second option 270 volt, third option 30 volt, last option 3 volt. Last option 3 volt.
Sir, option A, 300 volt.
Inapa
300 volt.
300. Very good. Very good. Which formula you used?
1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R.
1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R. Q divided by R. So you may ask, sir, what happens to the other expression? Means Q into Q. See, consider 1 coulomb charge. Okay, unit positive charge. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value is given. Means well known, 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Q value is known, 3 nanocoulomb, 10 to the power of -9, divided by distance 9 centimeter into 10 to the power of -2. This is the value of V. Okay, say 9 cancels out, 10 to the power of +9, 10 to the power of -9 cancels out, 10 to the power of -2, if it moves up, it will be 10 to the power of +2, nothing but 100. 100 into 3 will be how much?
300 volt.
So option is A. Within 10 seconds, you can arrive at the solution. Within 10 seconds. Questions. Fine. Can anybody tell me how many questions we have completed?
9.
Just 9. Okay, just a moment, please. Okay, 2015 question. Now 2015 question. A parallel plate capacitor is charged. A parallel plate capacitor is charged and then isolated. A parallel plate capacitor is charged and then isolated. The effect of increasing the plate separation. The effect of increasing the plate separation. Increasing the plate separation on charge. Increasing the plate separation on charge, comma potential, charge, comma potential, and capacitance respectively are. Capacitance, charge, comma potential, and capacitance respectively are. Option A, increases, comma decreases. Option A, increases, decreases. Option B, constant, increases, decreases. Option C, constant, decreases. Last option, constant, decreases, comma increases.
Option C.
Option
C.
Think about it. ನೋಡಮ್ಮ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡು. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು? See, A capacitor is charged means it acquires charge. It acquires charge. Option D wrong. A capacitor is charged means it acquires a charge. It will be isolated. Isolated means now it will be kept separately. Now what happens to charge? Tell me first. Is there any change in the charge? Is there any?
No, sir.
Isolated in the sense you take 100 rupees from your father and you keep it in your pocket. Is there any change in the pocket? Sorry, amount?
Constant.
It will be constant. Now first option is not valid. Now among three, one will be there. Now you also know the expression for capacitance. You also know the expression for capacitance. It will be epsilon naught A divided by D. Is it correct? Now see, then increasing the plate separation. If you increase the plate separation, distance among these plates, what happens to capacitance?
Decreases.
It decreases.
Decreases.
Now as a result, B is also not correct. B is also not correct because C and D decreases. Now we have one more option, V, potential. Potential will be Q divided by C. If C decreases, what happens to V?
Increases.
It increases. Now which one? Now which one?
Option D.
Okay, just a moment, Amma, just a moment. If the plate separation increases, now I check once again, options. First option increases, decreases, decreases. Second option constant, increases, decreases. Third option constant, decrease, decrease. Fourth option constant, decrease, increase, decrease, increase. Now as the capacitor is isolated, charge remain constant, plate separation is decreases.
For option C.
One moment, Appa, one moment. So there is a problem in the question itself. I will check once again. The effect of increasing the plate separation on charge. Effect of increasing the plate separation. If C decreases, potential has to increase. Then which one is the option?
Sir, option B.
Option D.
B, sir. AB.
How?
Sir, you told that charge is constant.
Okay.
Then after that, according to question, respectively, potential should come at the second. Potential will increase, and then capacitance will decrease. That is second option, no, sir.
Correct. Correct. Now repeat again, Appa. Repeat again.
Sir, first in the question, respectively, it is asked first charge, then potential, then capacitance.
Okay.
So charge is constant over here.
Okay, I got it.
Second is potential, which increases. Third one is capacitance, which decreases.
First charge, then comes potential. Final one, capacitance. Is it correct?
Yes,
Sir.
Okay. So charge is constant. Potential will what? Increase. Now capacitance will decrease. Okay. Based on that, option 2 is correct. Wonderful. Good. Now you have to aware of it. Or else you go according to these expressions. It will be what? Constant, increase, decrease. Now fourth option. Those options are not given. Correct? Those options are not provided, not given. Now option B is correct. Good. Now just a moment. Which question then? Okay, now take 2016 question, common sense based question. 2016. Nature of equipotential surface. Nature of equipotential surface. Nature of equipotential surface for a point charge is. For a point charge is. First option, ellipsoid with charge at foci. Ellipsoid with charge at foci. Second option, sphere with charge at the center of the sphere. Sphere with charge at the center of the sphere. At the center of the sphere. Option C, sphere with charge on the surface of the sphere. On the surface of sphere. Surface of sphere. And the last option, plane with charge on the surface. Plane with charge. Plane with charge on the surface. Plane with charge on the surface. Point charge. Usually we take Q. Equipotential surface means we consider what? Electric field here. Correct? So this is a sphere with charge at the center.
Center.
Sphere with charge at the center. Option is
B.
this was appeared in 2016.
Sir, ellipsoid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು sir?
ಏನಪ್ಪಾ?
Option A, ellipsoid.
Just like this. Okay, just like this. With the foci, now here is the charge. If you place charge here and if you consider this structure, it will be an ellipsoid. Like in an elliptical orbit. In an elliptical orbit. Kepler planetary, okay, motion. Now here will be the sun. Correct? So this is ellipsoid. ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Means oval shape. ನಿನಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓವಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು. Fine. So this is ellipsoid shape. Now just a moment. I will search for questions. Previous year questions. Just a moment. 2046. Okay. Okay. Now remember this very, very important question. 2019. A system of two charges. 2019 question. A system of two charges separated by certain distance. A system of two charges separated by certain distance apart stores electrical potential energy. Stores electrical potential energy. Stores electrical potential energy. If the distance between them is increased, if the distance between them is increased, if the distance between them is increased, distance between them is increased, the potential energy of the system, potential energy of the system, potential energy of the system, you can call it as P dot E, whether it is U or B, all are one, may increase or decrease, may increase or decrease. Second option, increase in any case, increase in any case, remain same, and option D, decrease in any case, decrease in any case, decrease in any case.
Sir, option D.
D.
Option
D.
Option A. Option A. See, a system of two charges. If it is positive, what is the force you observe? Repulsion. Correct? Correct? And if it is one positive and one negative?
Attract.
Attraction. So as the charges, if similar charges, if they come closer, what happens to its effect? What happens to its effect? If you place two similar charges, very close to each other, what happens to its effect? Means force.
Decreases.
Ingama decreases. Eradu positive.
Attraction, force increase.
So distance decreases.
Positive. If you place very close to each other, what is the effect you observe? Repulsion. So if you increase the distance, repulsion decreases. If you place it very close to each other, repulsion increases. Now you keep these two charges very close and you just like leave it. What happens? They move in opposite direction. Correct? Now write down note. Write down note for like charge. For like charges, write down note for like charges. For like charges, potential energy of the system will increase when, if the distance between the charges is increased. If the distance between, write down for like charges, ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರೇನ್ರೋ? For like charges, the distance between the charges is increased. If the distance between the charges is increased, potential energy will decrease. For like charges, it may be positive or it may be negative. So if you place one positive here separated by 1 meter distance, so potential energy will be less. One positive with 1 millimeter distance, now potential energy will be maximum. Means if the distance is less for like charge, potential energy will be more. If the distance is more, potential energy will be less. Now for unlike charge, if the distance between the charges is increased, for unlike charge, distance between the charges is increased, potential energy of the system will
Increase.
Potential energy of the system is increase or increases. Okay. Now how much time is left?
1 minute.
Only 1 minute. Okay.
Sir.
Any questions today? ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
See, this is unlike charge, Aniya. Unlike charges. Okay, for unlike charge, what happens? Q1, Q2 will be less than 0. Q1, Q2, however, no, one positive, one negative. Plus 2 coulomb, minus 3 coulomb, minus 6 coulomb. Minus 6 coulomb value ನಿನಗೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
So it is in case of unlike charge. In case of like charge, what happens? Q1, Q2 product will be greater than 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ greater than 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So ಅವಾಗ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So best example is -1, -2, -3, -4. -1, -2, -3, -4. So which one is far away from 0 now? Far away from 0? -4. Very close to value andre?
-1.
Correct. So and value ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯಾವುದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? -1 because it is very close to 0. Now for you it appears to be okay 0, very close to 0 means its value will be more. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Since you have negative value, its value will be more for unlike charges. So here for like charges, its value will be plus. So positive for other changes. Finished? Thank you very much. Next class we will study current electricity. Then we will proceed with other topics. Okay, first 3 topics are very, very important. Remember, very, very important. Total 15 questions approximately. One jastinu barbodu, one kaminu barbodu. But usually 15 questions from first 3 topics. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.